The question is, evaluate the value of integration of this function 2x minus 3 upon x square minus 1 into 2x plus 3 with respect to x. Okay, now to solve this question, first of all we take the given integral, and the first thing what I notice here is this, that we have been given x square minus 1 in the denominator, so this can be factorized and can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, right? So I obtain here this expression in the denominator. Okay, so we have a cubic expression in the denominator. Okay, and whenever we have been given a fraction and the denominator is in the form of the linear factors, so the best way is to solve it by partial fraction. So we are going to solve this, first of all simplify this fraction into its partial fraction. Okay, and then the integration would become very easy. So firstly we shall resolve the fraction into its partial fraction. The partial fraction of this fraction would be a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 plus c upon 2x plus 3. Okay, now we shall take the LCM. So on taking LCM, I'm going to get left hand side as it is, right hand side a into x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, b into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3, c into x minus 1 into x plus 1, and the denominator x plus 1, x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, that is LCM of these three terms. Now in this equation, the denominator being equal cancel out, so I get 2x minus 3 is equal to a into x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, b into x minus 1 2x plus 3, c into x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is my equation number 1. Okay, now we have to solve the value for a, b, c. Now we are going to see the calculations of the values of a, b and c. So to solve the value of a, b and c, the idea here is this: we are going to place one by one the term given in the denominator of these fractions, a upon x plus 1, b upon x minus 1, c upon 2x plus 3, that is x plus 1, x minus 1 and 2x plus 3 equal to 0. And for example, in the first part I get x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. I'm going to place minus 1 in this equation, so this will give me value of a, and similarly I'm going to solve for b and c. Okay, so placing x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1, we get 2 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to a into minus 1 minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 plus 3. Now because we have placed x is equal to minus 1 and a factor here is x plus 1, so the terms of b and c will become 0. So I will have here, this will be minus 5, this will be minus 2, and this will be 1, so this will be minus 2a. So I get a is equal to 5 upon 2. Similarly, placing x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Okay, I'm going to get here 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to a into 1 minus 1. So this term will become 0, and c into 1 minus 1 is obtained here, will become 0. Okay, so we have to just look for the factors. This factor would be in the term containing a and c, so the term of a and c will become 0, and the b will be 2 into 5, that is 10. So I'm going to obtain minus 1 is equal to 10b, or b is equal to minus 1 upon 10. Similarly, placing 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation number 1, I get 2 into minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 1 times b time 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. Okay, and b into minus 3 by 2 plus 1 into 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So you can see here these two fractions are going to solve and give me 0. So this term containing a and b will become 0, and this term containing c would be solved to give me minus 5 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, okay, which will be equal to 5 upon 4, and this will be, this 2 cancels out, so this will be minus 6. So I get minus 6 is equal to 5 upon 4c, or c is equal to minus 24 upon 5. So Having solved for a, b and c, a is equal to 5 by 2, b is equal to minus 1 by 10, c is equal to minus 24 upon 5. So we are going to get the integration of this function as equal to 5 by 2 times integration of 1 upon x plus 1 with respect to x, minus 1 upon 10 integration of 1 upon x minus 1 with respect to x, minus 24 upon 5 integration of 1 upon 2x plus 3 with respect to x. Now integration of 1 upon x plus 1 would be equal to log of x plus 1. Okay, so this would be equal to 5 by 2 log x plus 1. Similarly, this would be equal to minus 1 upon 10 log x minus 1, and this will be equal to minus 24 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. Here 2 divides because x has a coefficient equal to 2. So I get this minus 24 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 into log of 2x plus 3 plus c. This 2 cancels out or solves with 24 to give me 12. So I get this as equal to the first two terms as it is, minus 12 upon 5 log of 2x plus 3 plus c. This is my required answer. So this is how I'm going to solve this question. Thank you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, by liking this video and giving your comment for the video.